Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitandIron.com coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 1999 Kenworth W900 highway tractor. It has a Cummins N14 engine, 500 horsepower. It does come equipped with an engine brake and a 13-speed transmission. The kilometers are approximately 1,125,000. However, the meter was replaced around 350,000. That is an estimate only. The front axle rating is 12,000 pounds on spring and 40,000 pounds on air suspension. It has a double sleeper, 60 inches. It has a wheelbase of 248 inches. The unit will come with a fresh MVI. And let's take a look at this unit. We're going to do a general walk around, and then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. I'm going to point out a few customized features of the truck as we go. Number one is the paint. It's brand new, and it has a 5-year warranty on the paint for fading. It's a beautiful lime green color. The frame of the unit has also been recently sandblasted and painted as well. Might have some lighting problems seeing the back of the unit. And I'm not seeing any problems with this unit from here. It's been very well taken care of, both mechanically and aesthetically. Let's come up close on the grille. It is brand new, so I'm not going to find any damage on this, as well as the bumper is brand new. And we're just going to pan up passenger side, show you the customization here around the lights. Beautiful light housing. And we're going to go up the driver's side of the unit. Very nice. Of course, we're going to show you the tires in the front when the hood is open. Let's pan and take a look here at the paint. It's absolutely mint. Air cleaner has no dents, no damage whatsoever, and the mirrors are no cracks, divots, shiny clean. The aluminum steps have also been painted to match. Nice touch. The unit is dual exhaust, brand new pipes, 8 inches. Nice chrome look. Again, it's a double sleeper, 60 inches. You can see the fuel tank here has been painted. And let's just pan up the back of the unit. Let's take a look at the tires here, and we'll start with axle number 2. You'll see there is a half fender there. It is brand new and it is going in for paint shortly. Because of the half fender, I'm going to come to the left side of the tire to show you the tire condition. I'm going to go to the inside of the unit. Go to axle number 3. The tire wear is looking fairly consistent here. We still have some life left in these. So we've got lots of chrome here on the rear of the unit. get a good look now at the frame. They did a beautiful job. Another thing about new paint is it makes it easy to see leaks. And I do not see any problems here. Also, the fifth wheel is also brand new. And we're on the driver's side of the unit. Let's go to axle number 3. And the outside tire and the inside, and again we still have some life left in these, but probably over halfway used up. Get a good look at the suspension here. And axle number 2. Behind a little bit more in the frame. The hookups are in order. There's a little bit of chipping here. Looks like it was just done maybe with one of the hookups. Seeing any dents in this body. We know the paint is new, so there's no scratches, but it's in very good condition. And mirrors here are in good shape. Same with the air cleaner. Just a small dent in it. Minor. There we go. Let's take a look in the cab. The seats have been upgraded. They are leather. It's an upgrade by Legacy. The passenger seat is not installed right now, but it will be. Let's take a look at the panel here. All the extender switches that were put on. Floor is hardwood. Take a look in the sleeper. I just opened up the sunroof here to give us a little bit more light. In doing that, I have noticed that the sunroof here has got some cracks in it on both panels. Now let's take a look under the hood, and of course we're going to show you the tire condition on both sides as well. of iron from bitiron.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.